Forestry is not just about trees and how we use wood, materials, or paper. The process of transforming green trees into useful products is far from simple. Fortunately, today, with the support of modern machinery and equipment, this task has become much more efficient and safe. Let's explore the super-powered forestry machines that are helping people get the job done. Trees, to grow strong and healthy, require regular care and trimming. In the past, this job was often done manually by climbing ladders or straight up the tree, a dangerous and inefficient task. However, now there are modern devices that make this work much safer. A special machine has been invented that can automatically climb tall trees and trim branches quickly without damaging the bark. With remote control operating up to 15 meters, tree trimming has become more convenient and precise. Quite a tree guardian, isn't it? But when we talk about the most powerful machines in forestry, we can't skip the stump grinders. After trees are cut down, large stumps are challenging to clean up. A specialized grinder using a powerful hydraulic system can quickly grind down stumps in just 20–30 seconds. Even shallow tree roots are easily cleared with minimal effort. And the question remains, could these wood chips be used as fertilizer? It's a thought-provoking idea for many. Additionally, cutting down trees and forests is no longer the daunting task it once was. In the past, chainsaws or axes were commonly used, and cutting the wood into smaller pieces or transporting it out of the forest was even more difficult. However, with the invention of modern tree harvesters, such as the Swedish wood harvester, this process has become much easier and faster. In just 1 hour, these machines can cut hundreds of trees, trim branches, and automatically divide the wood into desired lengths. Large wood pieces often need to be ground down before they can be used, and this is where wood chippers come into play. With an automatic conveyor, wood is fed into the machine, crushed by sharp steel rollers, and finally turned into small chips ready for use. Once all the steps are completed, the wood must be collected and transported to a processing site or for export. Wood gathering machines are designed to transport dozens of trees at once, even on steep terrain, making them indispensable in the transportation process. Lastly, we can't overlook forestry mulchers designed to clear forests. With hardened rollers, they easily break down branches, stumps, and even small trees that haven't fully grown yet. It's amazing to witness the power of these machines, isn't it? Each machine and technology contributes to protecting and developing the forestry industry more sustainably. Have you ever seen any unique forestry machines? Share your thoughts on technology and forestry, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content.